They raced here for Buddhisconi over from Australia, and year after year, and everyone tuned out because they never such good rubber, and they'd come out of the Dunlop curve and get the pedal to the metal and the tail, they would snake down there, and this is the side everyone's waited a long time to see. A couple of Formula Hold pace car will swing off here. They come Murray Sinclair on the outside, Kenny Smith on the inside of row 2, Andrew Higgins in the Formula Holden behind him. Look at this, a sight as they behold as they come down. Gail Kepler's on the button. Look at this, they line up now in formation, everyone waiting to be unleashed. Thousands of horsepower, racing as it should be. The Ultimate Classics, the car is off, they line, they back up into the centre, they come. You go back and remember the win. Legend. You take that, so this was all about. That was what made, I believe, one move on one day really established the McLaren legend. The Cabbage Tree Corner at Livin. I wonder if that Cabbage Tree is still there. That would be the big question, because the Historic Places Trust should put a little plaque at the bottom of it. Number 9, Brendan Hartley, the 14-year-old whiz. Can you not see him? That's the damn thing. Rolling start, and if you just remind me, Mr. Starter Lady, how many laps? Some people's thinking either. It's one of the great memories of one race down as they went it down to Higgins, 4 of them plowed off down there. The left record here, he made a solo attempt. In those days there was no big circuit. They had a corrugated iron fence right along the back, and I remember I was commentating here then, and we shut down the sound system so you could hear the gear shifts. Some of the cars as they go down there, you'll see Steve Malem. I mentioned Steve in the 69 Corvette. This is a rocket ship, 427 big block, running alloy heads, Jericho 4-speed, all with 6 pots on the front. It's a flyer. Steve Malem in the 69 Corvette. There's Steve Hilder in 21 coming up on the grid in the Monaro. Steve is extremely well known around New Zealand. 69 Monaro, 6 litre, 500 horsepower. You ask these guys how many horsepower, they say, 500 down the pit. What the hell's a bit? But they've got heaps. Paul Kerwin beside him, 68, that's a war demolition car. That's a real gorgeous car. Aluminium big block Chevy. Huge horsepower, 680. You coming down, Russell? Well, don't run away with the mic. I think I might, because the Can-Am car is out there at the moment, and it is a training rod that came out, everyone waiting. Look, you just look at them, there's so many cameras and people on light.
Where's he getting his new one? His new one?
Now, this stunning machine, only 399 were built, all pre-sold, into the count of them. So we've got to thank all those people who contributed both yesterday and today, supporting the Cancer Society of New Zealand, everyone waiting to see the F60, it's the code name of the Enzo, south of Bombay for the first time, 280 miles an hour, $2 million worth of technology. All supporting this wonderful worthy cause, and to see that car remain in New Zealand is going to be very, very special.